ये एक अफवाह हो सकती है। It might be a rumor. It might be a rumor. मेरे साथ थोड़ा खाना खा लो। Have a little food with me. Have a little food with me. मुझे घर ले जाओ। Take me home. Take me home. चलो चल कर देखते हैं। Let's go and see. Let's go and see. चलो बैठकर बात करते हैं। Let's sit and talk. Let's sit and talk. चलो इसे पूछते हैं। Let's ask him. Let's ask him. चलो चलते हैं। Let's go. Let's go. वीडियो को ज़रूर लाइक करें। Do like the video. Do like the video. जाओगे क्या? Will you go? Will you go? खेलोगे क्या? खेलोगे क्या? Will you play? Will you play? खेलोगे क्या? पढ़ोगे क्या? Will you read? Will you read? देखोगे क्या? Will you watch? Will you watch? तुम जाते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you go? Why don't you go? तुम पढ़ते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you study? Why don't you study? तुम काम क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why don't you work? Why don't you work? तुम बताते क्यों नहीं? Why don't you tell? Why don't you tell? आओ तो सही। At least come. At least come. जाओ तो सही। At least go. At least go. बताओ तो सही। At least tell. At least tell. सोचो तो सही। At least think. At least think. उसे ज़रूर बताओ। Do tell him. Do tell him. इसे ज़रूर पूछना। Do ask him. इधर do की माने है must, ज़रूर, ये ग्रामर है। उसे ज़रूर पढ़ना। इसे ज़रूर पढ़ना। Do read it. Do read it. पढ़ते रहो। Keep reading. Keep reading. मुस्कराते रहो। Keep smiling. Keep smiling. काम करते रहो। Keep working. Keep working. हंसते रहो। Keep laughing. Keep laughing. मेरा क्या? What about me? What about me? इसका क्या? What about him? What about him? इस किताब का क्या? What about this book? What about this book? इसका क्या? What about it? What about it? कहाँ जाऊँ? Where to go? Where to go? कैसे जाऊँ? Where to go? Where to go? कब जाऊँ? When to go? When to go? क्यों जाऊँ? Why to go? Why to go? वहाँ जाना कैसे रहेगा? How about going there? How about going there? एक कप चाय कैसे रहेगा? How about a cup of tea? How about a cup of tea? ये कैसे रहेगा? How about it? How about it? इससे बात करना कैसे रहेगा? How about talking to him? How about talking to him? तो प्यारे शागिर्दों, ये था आज हमारा सबक इंग्लिश सेंटेंसेस के बारे में था। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग।